Okay, I'm getting tomatoes ready for spring in the big greenhouse, and I've got two 72 cell trays here. These are the heavy duty ones. I got tired of the flimsy stuff like this here that crack and break, but I am still using that on a limited basis right now. So I've got 72 here. These two of these 144 plants of a plant I'm calling 5 for now. It's basically a I can't remember what generation it is, but it's the favorite of the plants that I grew out. And so this is the line I want to continue. In order to ensure I get the trait, you have to grow a whole bunch of them. So I'm growing a whole bunch of plant number 5. Also, what I'm growing are my cherry tomato. We got some there, and over there, and over there. I'm also going to grow some brandywines and some Cherokee purples. Those are standard fare for a lot of people. Now we will switch over to peppers. Here is one of the other peppers I'm going to grow. This is called, I'm calling it Gina Bella. It's a 4th generation, and it was consistent, so I'm only planting out 6 plants of that. And I'm also going to grow these plants over here. I've got them in the greenhouse. I'm hoping, these were planted back in December, I believe. I'm hoping that I can get a generation in and select from the 9 plants we're growing here before spring comes, and at least during the summer I can get another generation. So I'm hoping to get this generation and one more for 2018. This is what I'm calling California Brian. It's the grow out from a pepper that, well, I'll just show you the pepper here. It's a really pretty plant. It takes after the parent quite a bit, so I'm really pleased about that. It's not nearly as spicy, which is even better. So I really like that pepper quite a bit, and that pepper I attempted to grow out a few plants thinking it would be consistent, and after you saw that video there, I attempted to grow it out again, another generation, and none of them were like the plant that I prefer. So I'm growing out again. I've got 9 selections here. And what I'm going to do in the winter greenhouse is I'm going to put a cage around each one of these, and I'm going to grow them up single stem on the inside of the cage, 3 each, for a total of 9, and hopefully I can have one of those peppers that took after the one that I just showed you. So that's my tomatoes and peppers plan for 2018. These are going to be grown. These are the only ones that are growing inside the greenhouse to get a generation, and all of these will be grown out in the spring outside. I'm probably going to do some grafting with Cherokee Purple and Brandywine, or one or the other of those, just to see how that works out. So this is Brent. We'll see you later. And this is the latest on my peppers. I got really good germination. I put 1 actual seed in each cell until I run out of cells, and then I started adding an extra one. So a couple of these have more than 1, and evidently some were stuck together and there's 2. But for the most part I put 1 in. So I'm way up there on germination from my seed saving technique. Probably I would say 96 to 98%, somewhere in there. I could actually count it up, but you know, I don't know how many extras are put in each one of these cells. So that's pretty good. There's the other ones that are and what they look like now, and here's my peppers. Looking forward to a great season this year, 2018. It's Brent. We'll see you later.